Habitat Diaries welcomes you. It is raining. I just wanted to see how this robin is doing at the parking lot. She is staying still, raising her head up, and she is incubating. Parking lot robin sitting tight in a rainy day. It's raining heavily. She's protecting her eggs by sitting on it, and she is incubating. Isn't that lovely? Inspiration from the nature of protecting the family and young ones. Wow, what a sacrifice she does. She gets wet, but she protects the egg and the chicks from the rain. Calming Habitat Diaries. She has something new I observed. She raised her head and looking up. No, I take it back. This is a chick. No, it is she. And she is, no, she is a chick. This is a chick, grown up. And sitting there waiting for the parents to bring food. Oh wow, a discovery of chick, raising the head, looking for the parents to bring food. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.